Yo, what's up you guys? Today we are starting another episode of Character Elimination Series.
Since the other people lost last challenge, let's go to the Elimination Center. Okay, now let's start with the prize votes. Everyone has no prize votes except for Kyle, Takagi-san, and Roblox. Kyle and Takagi-san didn't have enough prize votes. And Roblox wins the prize at 6 votes. He gets half advantage when he faces up for elimination. Now let's go to the elimination votes. Everyone has no votes except for Roblox, Merly Twirly, and Dennis. Roblox is safe only at 1 vote. And Dennis and Merly Twirly are eliminated at 8 votes.
Oh well, we didn't make it this far, but at least we get $1,000 for being in top 10. Now our Roblox fans will be so sad when they see this. See you guys in the finale.
Wait. I need to give you guys $1,000. Here, now have a safe journey home.
If Merly Twirly and Dennis is out, we are in the top 8 contestants. So your next challenge is to stay underwater the most. The top 2 people who stays most wins. Go.
Now, the top 2 standing and staying underwater will be safe from elimination and the others will be facing up for elimination. Yay! Omega and Aura won the challenge. The others will be facing up for elimination.
Roblox has half advantage, so you can still vote for him. Anyways, vote for 2 people to get eliminated and 1 to win the prize. Voting ends at March 8th, at 11 a.m. Pacific Time.
Hey you guys. Mike plays YT4 here. And today we are starting a salute on those 2 people that are named SBAnimate2016 and Anthony the Vyonder. Shall we get started? Okay, let's get started. Wow. Those both users rocks. They make great content. They deserve to get 100 million subscribers. You know who likes this user? Everyone in the Gasping community. They are good users that I feel like making friends with them. Also, they rock just like Cody the Vyonder 2009, Roku Khan the Vyonder, the Shy K9, and other Gonamators. End of salute.